morning, all of you. My name is Jagruti Badua, Government Secondary School, Velan District, Gir Somnath. The name of my innovation is Don't Fry, Be Bright. So, what were the problems of the students? Are there? Students were afraid to speak in English. They lack self-confidence. They don't have any interest in learning English. They lack also self-confidence. So, for that, I have made this innovation. So here you can see working model of tenses. By this working model, they learn simple present, simple continuous, perfect and perfect continuous tense in different 12 tenses. Here you can see simple present, simple past, simple future, present continuous, past continuous, future continuous, present perfect, past perfect, future perfect, present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, future perfect continuous. And along with them, there are different sentences also. Simple, for example, simple present tense: she plays carom, she played carom, she will play carom. And here you can see the chart of sentence. This is, that is, these are, those are, there is, and there are. They will learn from this circle how to make sentence. For example, this is a book, this is a girl, this is a boy, this is a table, this is a clock. So in this way, they learn how to make sentences. Here is a working model of sentence structure. Here is a subject, verb, and object parts. They will take one of the cards, they will put it here. For example, here is an I, and they will take the card of verb. Here they will take the card of object, and like this they will make the sentence. In this way, they learn how to make simple sentences. Here you can see word atlas game. From this game, they will empower their word knowledge. For example, here you can see school. From here, age, there is a hunt. Here is a hydrosphere. Here is a holy. Here is ill. So in this way, they will empower their word knowledge. You can see here sentence pyramid. For example, I am a girl, I am a brave girl. In this way, they learn how to make big sentences from small sentences. Here you can see value education chart. I am not only giving only English education to them, but I also learn them value education also. Here you can see the English textbook. The first unit is against the odds. From this unit, they learn importance of unity, cooperation, social responsibility, and the second unit of textbook is the human robot. From that unit, they learn humanity, tolerance, honesty. So from all the units, they learn the human values. Here you can see the functions chart. You know that one of the important thing is that in 10th exam, functions will ask for the question of function is for 9 marks. So for that, from this chart, they will learn all the 12 functions very easily. For example, specifying time, specifying location, describing action, and all the main important 12 functions. Here you can see active passive voice chart. From this chart, they will learn how subject goes to the place of object, object goes to the place of subject, and whatever changes are made are encircled by red line. So in this way, they learn very easily active passive voice. Here you can see parts of speech chart. From this chart, they learn noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. Along with them, their examples also, for example, from noun, book, pen, table, from pronoun, he, she, it, they. Like this, they know all the parts of speech very easily. They learn all the parts of speech very easily. Here you can see tenses chart. All the sentence structure of all the tenses are here. Simple, continuous. Here you can see perfect and perfect tense. Here is an activity window. Students are doing all the activities in my classroom. Here you will see the conversation clouds are here. From this conversation cloud, they will learn how to communicate with each other. Students communicate with each other by these clouds. I give them the subject, for example, in the market, how to make conversation in the market, how to make conversation in the garden, and how to make conversation in the school. By these clouds, they learn how to communicate in English with each other. So I have made all these charts and to learn English very easily and to make English learning very easy for them. So for from these all the charts I have got the result very nice. Now they know the importance of English language as an international language. Now they become very confident, and now they are very much interested in learning English. So thank you very much.